Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are short video snippets designed to answer questions you may have about estate planning or probate, or maybe there are other legal concerns that may be swirling around in your head or impacting your household. And for this week's edition, I thought it would be appropriate, as we are quickly approaching the holiday season, to just maybe share a few reminders with you, or maybe some suggestions that may be helpful for this time of year when you are gathering with your family members, particularly those who may either be listed in your estate plan as one of your people, one of your fiduciaries, either an agent or an executor, if we're talking about your will, or maybe you are named in one of their estate planning documents. Either way, you should have at least a conversation, especially for my single people out there, of where your important documentation is kept. Where are those important papers that you keep somewhere in the house or maybe somewhere outside of the house? But this would be a good time if you're in person and hanging out with these family members to share with them where these documents are, or ask them to share with you. Another suggestion or another tidbit is to bring up the topic of estate planning, particularly with those family members that you know do not have anything in place. And I tend to gear toward or lean toward those of us who have taken or are taking care of our aging parents. So if you are in that situation, you want to make sure that your parents have some sort of documents in place, primarily a will and an advanced healthcare directive, and then a power of attorney for the financial side of their lives. But have those discussions. It doesn't have to be long and drawn out. It doesn't have to be, a morbid discussion about death and forecasting our own mortality. Is just a quick, hey, I want to make sure that should something happen to you or should something happen to me, that we've got everything taken care of. And if so, where are those papers that you keep? Or, oh, I didn't know you had a burial plan. Where would that be in case somebody had to find it? Those types of things. Keep it casual. I won't say keep it fun. It's fun for me to teach people about these things, not necessarily fun to deal with them, and especially not fun to deal with things that could have been planned for and they were not. So with that said, as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Happy holidays.